Did you know that September could be the most important month for your fall garden? That's right, while most people are winding down their gardens, smart gardeners like you are just getting started. If you want to enjoy fresh, homegrown veggies all through the cooler months, now is the perfect time to plant. So grab your tools because I'm about to show you the best crops to plant this month for a fall harvest you won't believe. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into fall gardening and talking about the top vegetables to plant in September. Whether you've got a small patch of land or just a few containers, I've got you covered with crops that thrive in the cooler weather. From squash and tomatoes to leafy greens and root crops, these are the veggies that will keep your garden producing well into the fall. Vegetables to plant in September? First up, let's talk about what to plant. September is perfect for squash and melons. If you get them in early enough, these late bloomers can still thrive, giving you a last round of harvest before the first frost. Tomato family, think peppers, eggplants, and late-season tomatoes. These can power through September if you give them a good start. Greens, we're talking spinach, lettuce, kale. They love cooler temperatures and will grow like crazy as the summer heat fades. Root crops, beets, carrots, and radishes are your go-to for fall. They don't mind the chilly nights, and you'll get a great harvest if you plant them now. When to plant vegetables in September. So when should you be planting all of these? Timing is key in September. Early September, this is the window for squash, melons, and tomatoes. They need all the sunshine and warmth they can get before it cools down too much. Mid-September, this is prime time for greens like spinach and kale. They love the crisp air and will be happy growing as the temperature drops. Late September, if you're planting root crops like beets and carrots, late September is perfect. They grow better when it's cooler, so don't worry about starting them late in the season. How to plant vegetables in September. Let's get into how to plant your vegetables. It's simple and straightforward. Prepare the soil. Make sure the soil is loose and full of nutrients. Fall crops need rich soil to grow strong and healthy. Plant the seeds. Follow the instructions on your seed packets for spacing and depth. Remember, root crops need a bit more space to spread out. Water the plants. Keep the soil moist but not soaked. September can still be warm in some areas, so your plants will appreciate consistent watering. Tips for growing vegetables in September. To make sure your fall crops thrive, here are a few quick tips. Fertilize the plants. Give them a boost with an organic fertilizer to help them power through the cooler season. Harvesting the vegetables, be patient. Some crops, like root veggies, will take time, but once they're ready, you'll have a fresh supply of homegrown food. Fall gardening doesn't have to be complicated. With the right crops, good timing, and a little care, you can enjoy a thriving garden well into the cooler months. So, don't let September pass by without getting these vegetables into the ground. Let me know in the comments which crops you're planting this fall, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips. Happy planting, and see you in the next video!